Hey guys, it's Mitch here, lead developer of the 3D Hive Builder, and today's tutorial is about creating a communication trigger. Now, a communication trigger is kind of designed to be used by teachers, not so much by students. And basically what it allows is it allows students who are playing the game to be able to send messages directly to the teacher's email account. But the email account obviously has to be set up through the 3D Hive portal system before you will get those messages. So the messages aren't sent in real time, but after the game has been completed, those messages get accumulated and sent to the teacher by themselves. So students, you don't really need to know about this one, but teachers, you might find this useful for direct feedback within the game. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. So it's quite simple. We're going to create a new trigger. Okay, you notice I've already again created my team spawn and my team settings, which is the first thing you should always do. Okay, so I'm going to click on the settings here and of the trigger, and I'm going to choose the trigger type, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the communication category, and my subcategory is going to be reflection. So I'm going to give this a name. I'm going to call this my communication trigger. Okay, so we'll just go through some of the settings here. The first setting is to actually create a message. So this is what will be displayed in the reflection window when the user runs up to this trigger. And it may be something like, let me know what you thought of the game, or something like that. So basically it's like a question, or it's instructing the student to respond with something in particular. It's basically the heading. Okay, and then the next setting down below is allows you to set whether you want this message to be sent to your email when the user responds after the end of the game. So if you don't select this, it'll be just in the portal, in the provisioning portal, you'll be able to see that the message was sent by this user at this time. But you can even make it so that at the end of the game, it actually sends an email to you telling you what the student name and what was the message that they sent to you. So you can just add your email here, tomsmith@tomsmith.com. Okay, and as long as that email reflects the email that's part of your portal email, the email will be sent and you'll get this information. So after you've filled out all the settings, you can click the save button. There you go, my communications trigger sits right there. So we can go back and see that it appears in our triggers menu. We can select it to activate it in the activation window, and then click anywhere on the map to place that trigger. There you go, we've just created a communication trigger. Again, students, this is not very useful for you, but for teachers you may find some use in this particular trigger. Okay, great, cool guys. We'll chat to you later with another tutorial. Bye guys.